Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to add a custom menu to your app in Appsheet. So the very first thing you should do is you have to open any of your web browser, and then you just have to search for Appsheet, and then you have to log into your account. Okay, so once you've logged in, you'll be able to see here now your apps and your databases. Okay, so it's up to you if you want to edit an existing app, but for me, I'm going to create a new one. So just have to click on the create option at the top left of the screen. But before that, let me just delete some of our apps and databases. Okay, so go to the create option at the top left, and then you have to choose between start with existing data or with a blank app. So I'm going to start with a blank app for this one. Okay, and as you can see at the right side, you have your app right here, and then you have your one menu. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to create 3 menus for this app. So just go to the UX section, and then you have to create a new view. Okay, so this is a review right here. So let me just change the name for this one. I'm going to name this one as orders. Okay, and then after that you just have to exit and then click create a new view and click on create a new view. Okay, so you just have to do the same. You just have to give this view a name. Okay, so I think I am going to name this new view as, okay, so maybe by. And then for this data, which is the table 1, we're going to use the table 1. And then for the view type, okay, so we have different view type right here. I am going to use the deck or the table or the gallery. So I'm going to use the gallery for this one. You also have here the position. Okay, so you just have to select your position. It's up to you. So I'm going to select last for this one, and then after that you can now click on the save option. Okay, do not forget to click on the save option. So I'm going to use the last, and if you want to change the image size, we have medium, large, small, or tiny. So medium would do. And then for the display section, you have to choose your icon. Okay, so as you can see right here, when we clicked on this icon at the right side, the preview of our app, the icon changed as well. So you just have to choose your icon, and then if you would like to add a display name for this one, so you just type out right here the display name. And let's add another table, create a new view. That's right, and then we are going to change the name for this new view as well. That's right, so the unique name for this view, products. And then for this data, I am going to use the table 1, and for the view type, gallery would do, and for the position, the last would do, and the image size medium. And then for the icon, I think I'm going to use this one. After that, you just have to save your changes, and you'll be able to see here now your custom menu to your app sheet. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.